Have you been wanting to start an online business, but you're concerned you're going to make some mistakes? This video is for you. What I've done is I've compiled the 10 biggest mistakes that people make when they start an e-commerce business. Now, I've been doing e-commerce for 13 years now, and I've seen these same mistakes over and over again. But in this video, I'm not only going to list the mistakes, I'm going to tell you exactly how to correct them. If you're serious about quitting your job and starting an online business, you're going to want to watch this video to the very end. The first one is no clear business plan. The mistake is not having a detailed business plan. It's simple to fix. All you've got to do is correct it by developing a comprehensive plan that outlines your business objectives, target market, marketing strategies, and more importantly, financial projections. The next one is neglecting market research. Oh my gosh, many e-commerce startups fail to conduct adequate market research.
Resistance is futile.
To correct this, simple. Invest time in understanding your target audience. Figure out what their preferences are, their needs, and their buying habits to tailor your products and marketing strategies effectively. Number 3, underestimating the competition. Often new e-commerce businesses underestimate their competition.
We're friends to the end, remember?
This is the end, friend.
Oftentimes new e-commerce businesses think they know it all, but their competition may have an edge on you. To remedy this, regularly analyze your competitors to identify their unique selling proposition and how to differentiate yourself between them and you. The next one is a poor website design. We just did ours. A common error is poorly designed websites.
These are the worst website design ideas you have ever seen. This person put an unsubscribe button next to a fan that's blowing your mouse cursor away. That's good. This person made it so that you have to use your fan to move your mouse cursor around. All right, this website you have to read in the real dark mode. To access this page, piece together and scan this QR code. Oh my gosh, no. To delete your account on this one, you have to find the delete button within the 3 cups and get it right. Wrong cup. This is one way to enter your phone number in. It's like a little fun game that's not difficult at all. Just click random numbers. This one gives you a 50% chance of deleting your account. You select the no bucks.
If these are designed poorly, people won't convert. You correct this by making your website user-friendly, aesthetically pleasing, and fast loading. Ensure that it is easy to navigate and optimized for mobile devices, possibly by hiring a professional like what we do. I don't do my own websites anymore. Number 5 is adequate customer service. Failing to provide excellent customer service nowadays will kill your business.
Hey, I just went to return these shoes.
Yeah, do you have a receipt?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Oh, you're actually past the 14-day return policy.
Oh no, I thought today was the 14th day.
Yeah, it is, but you bought these at 12 p.m. and it's currently 12:17, so you're 17 minutes late.
I've been waiting in line for 20 minutes.
Yeah, there's absolutely nothing I can do about that. I'm sorry.
Okay, can I speak to a manager or something?
Oh, you want to speak to my manager?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get him for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Correct this by establishing a robust customer service system, including chat support, email, phone lines, and train your team for efficient and quick resolution of any customer inquiries. Include AI also. Number 6, ignoring SEO and online marketing. Not utilizing SEO and online marketing is a critical mistake. You've got to be on top of that. How do you do it? You correct this by developing a strong strategy for both regularly updating your website with SEO-friendly content and engaging in social media PPC and email marketing to drive traffic.
Don't drop the soap, daddy, at gmail.com.
What's the email you want to put it on?
My girlfriend smells like the inside of a fish tank at gmail.com.
For real?
Yeah.
Dang.
These all have to be done. Number 7, ineffective use of social media. Ineffective use of social media. An ineffective social media strategy can be missed opportunities for you and your business. You correct this by creating a strong social media presence.
The platforms that have the attention are changing right now, and every time they change, crazy happens. So Facebook, fan page number 1, YouTube Shorts number 2, TikTok number 3. You must dominate those 3 arbitrages.
You have to do this all the time. You got to engage with your audience. You got to post regularly, and you got to use these platforms for promotions and community building. You've got to build that community. Number 8, not building an email list. I did this in the beginning. Neglecting to build an email list from the start can really hinder your marketing efforts.
So I just wanted to share a tip with you. If you're starting out, one of the most profitable things you can do is to build your email list, because it's data you own and it's an asset you're going to make money with over time. In fact, one of the most common things that I see in the industry is that affiliates who build a list not only make more money, but they actually make money. There's a ton of people out there that fail, and in my opinion, it's because they're not building an asset and they're always at the mercy of the ad network. So if you want to make a lot of money in this game and you want to build your asset, build your income over time, and you also want to have some stability knowing that you're in actual control, then you should definitely build your email list.
I didn't do it and it hurt me. You're going to correct this by encouraging subscriptions with sign-up incentives, giving them lead magnets, maintaining regular communication with your audience through newsletters, exclusive offers, and anything you can do to help them out. Number 9, poor logistics and inventory management. Inadequate management of logistics and inventory can lead to operational nightmares. You're going to correct this by implementing efficient systems for inventory management and establishing reliable logistics partnerships to avoid delays and stock issues. Number 10, not adapting to the market changes. This is the big one. Failing to stay abreast of market trends and consumer behaviors can leave a business behind and in the dust. You're going to correct this by staying informed and being flexible and updating your business. All the strategies you need to stay on top of things, you need to change with market conditions. Now, if you've watched this far, you are probably serious about starting your own online business. If you want to do that a little bit quicker than going out and trying to figure it out on your own, just click below. I've put a link to my course, the Ecom Road. Okay, you want to go down Ecom Road. Ecom Road will take you to the right place. It'll show you what to do, and it'll help you prevent a lot of these mistakes. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you would. You may have questions. If so, put it in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Let me know what problems you're having, and I look forward to talking to you online.